Welcome to Business Statistics. This is a short video to show you how this course works and where you can find the information necessary to be successful in this course. The home page is your go-to page. This is where you can find important information. One of the main things that you can find on the home page is my contact information. As you can see, I have a phone number listed. This is actually my Google Voice number, so you can text this number and it will go directly to my phone. And this is a quick way to get in contact with me if you want to get a quick response. Other ways that you can contact me are through email. Make sure that if you email or message me in Canvas that you put in the subject line, basically tell me what the question is that you have. And if you're emailing me, you need to make sure that you put what course you're in. Also, if you're texting me, tell me your name and what course you're in as well, so I will know which class you're in. This will help me get you an answer as quick as possible. Also, I have my virtual office hours on here, and my preferred method of contact is either Canvas messaging or text. Also, I have a picture of the textbook here, but remember, you will access your textbook in the actual course. You can click on Bookshelf to access your e-text. And then always on the home page you will have the weekly announcements. So these are the things that you need to complete by midnight, Sunday, June 9th. And then once you have viewed the home page, you can click on Get Started, and it's going to take you to your actual orientation module. So as you can see, that's really the only thing that you have open, and the rest of the modules will eventually open up after you complete the orientation module. So after you're through with the orientation module, you have the important course information module. Notice if it says view that this is a requirement before you can move on to the next module. You have to view everything in important course information, and then you can see that you have a MyLab access code quiz. This is where it's going to give you your access code in order to get into your assignments, and your assignments are going to be in MyLab and Mastering. So you want to register for MyLab and Mastering in Canvas. You always want to access this through Canvas. As you scroll on down, you can see the other modules and assignments with the due dates. So hopefully this will help you get started. If you have any questions, feel free to text, message, or call me. Have a great week.